Today I'm gonna show you how to send a code to a Gmail account. The first step is to make sure that the sender email has turned on the two-step verification. Then click the app password. Enter your Google account password here. Then after that, go to Select App and enter your website name or app name. Then click the Generate button. The generated password will have 16 characters, and this password will be used on your website. After setting up the sender Google account, let's proceed on coding. First, create a form element with actionSender.php and method post. Then on sender.php, add this code on the top of your file. Then if the send code button is clicked, this code block will execute. The email you entered will be stored to email variable. Then the system will generate a 6-digit code, and it will be stored on code variable. Then on this line, just enter sender email on a single quotation. On the next line, enter the generated password that you created. Then on this line, enter the sender email again. Then on this line, the receiver email will coming from the variable that you declared on line 12. On this line, you can enter the subject for the email. And on the next line is the body of the email. I concatenated the code variable here. Lastly, on this line, you will be directed to send.php. And on sent.php, I just created a simple message when the message is sent. Now let's try it. We did it! The mail was successfully sent. Let's try another example. On this example, we can send a message to the entered Gmail. On the sender.php, there's just a little changes. We remove the code generator and add a message variable that will get the entered message. Then on the body, the content will be the message variable. Now let's try to send it. And again, we sent it successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this simple tutorial can help you.